can I use the kit on multiple ceilings in different rooms? Yes. Some people are worried about the stencil tearing. It's craft paper, and I've played around with the different thicknesses. I used to have one that was very thick, and then on textured ceiling it was hard to get it to go up against the ceiling. And then I went to one that was really thin, and it was I thought it was good, but people wanted something a little bit thicker. So now I'm using a stencil paper that is durable but still flexible. But what you may want to do if you're going to paint multiple in multiple rooms, and this might be good even if you're doing one room, on the two sheets that have the many 200 plus holes in it. That's the background stars. Is take some tape, some blue tape maybe, or any kind of tape, masking tape, and let's say this is the sheet right here. Put the tape all the way around, where you can fold it over, part of it on one side, part of it on this side, and then go all the way around. And that's going to make it very, very sturdy right there. And I've had people paint 4 and 5 ceilings without doing that. So just be careful, and you don't have to do that. But if you're worried, just put some tape around the edges, and it's going to make it a lot more durable. So yeah, you can paint multiple ceilings. What you may want to do is get extra paint, because what comes in the kit is the paint that comes in the kit is good for 175 to 250 square feet, and everybody paints differently, so that's kind of the range that I've found that people are getting. So if you think you're going to paint 2 or 3 rooms and you're going to be between 200 and 300 square feet, you can go ahead and order an extra set of paint or an extra jar of paint when you order the kit, and you don't have to pay any shipping or anything. We'll just add it to the kit, and that's it. So yes, you can paint multiple ceilings with the kit.